What's going on, guys? This is Astrum Sensei and welcome back to Let's Create an Action Role-Playing Game using Unreal Engine 4. So in the last episode we added combo attacks like this, 1, 2 and 3, but they do have issues, and today we're gonna try to fix those issues. But so far we only added them for the light attacks, so in this episode we're also gonna add them for the heavy attacks. So we're gonna add 2 more attacks for the heavy attacks. Also, there's an issue with walking while... Wait, when did I fix that? Okay, so there's an issue where she walks while attacking the second and third attack. So we're gonna fix that right now, first thing. So in light attack 2... No, wait, let me remind you. So in light attack 1 montage we added this notifier that says disable movement and enable movement, but we forgot to add them for the light attack 2 and light attack 3, and that's why we can move while still attacking. So we're gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna disable movement right from here, add notify, skeleton notifies, disable movement, and at the end over here I'm gonna add a notify, skeleton notify, and enable movement. Let's also do the same for the attack 2. We pause this. Okay, we're gonna disable movement right here. And we're gonna enable movement right when she puts her leg back. So let's try it quickly and see how it goes. As you can see, if we try walking while attacking, it's not gonna work anymore. There's still an issue, I'm not sure what it is, but sometimes she just keeps redoing the same attack. I think we're pressing them too fast behind each other. I'm not sure. It definitely has something to do with the delay values in the blueprint, so we're gonna mess with that later. But for now, let's just add the third attacks, which is heavy attack 2 and 3, and make them a combo. So what we're gonna do is create an anim montage of each, and also we're gonna add these notifiers, so same as we did previously. Let's just do it right now. Okay, so when she lifts her leg, I'm gonna disable the movement, and when she returns over here, I'm gonna enable the movement. Also on the third one, which is the kick, over here, where is it? Disable movement, and when she returns, enable movement. Now if you don't have those, enable and disable, we made them in the first attacking episode. I think it's 2 episodes ago right now, so we're definitely I definitely recommend you go check it out, because yeah, that's what it is. So right now I'm gonna be messing up a bit, I'm sure, because I haven't rehearsed this episode before recording it, because come on, that's boring a bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy everything over here except for this one, and yeah, we're gonna copy it and paste it. For the heavy attacks, we're just gonna change the animations and a few things. So yeah, so we're gonna take the input action heavy attack and do it here, What's wrong with my hand today? Option 0 is heavy attack 1, option 1 is heavy attack 2, and option 2 is heavy attack 3. I know it's confusing, but get used to it. Okay, for now we're just gonna try it out and see how it is. I think that's all we need to do so far. Okay, let's click them slowly. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. But there's one thing I want to do, and it's the play rate. I'm just gonna keep it at 1 instead of 1.6. So do that. Because this is heavy attack and she's doing it too fast. So this is light attack, this is heavy attack. It's definitely much slower. But I definitely need to change the delay values so that we cannot interrupt the attacks. Okay, I'm gonna try to mix them and see how it goes. Heavy attack, light attack, heavy attack, light attack, heavy attack, heavy attack, heavy attack. No, there's something wrong. Okay, for now let's just mess with the delay values. So the first one is over here, switch on int 0, attack count plus sequence, and do again. I'm not sure which one this is. You know what, let's just do the delay as 0.8 for all of them right now and see how it is. Now I'm really not sure which one is for, like each is for what, but we're just gonna remember that right now. But, you know, for now let's just make it everything is 0.8. Except for this one, I'm not sure why it's 1, but yeah. Yeah, this is good. I think it's fixed. You know, right now we can mix them, I think. Not always, it doesn't always work, but it does. So let's change the delay values for also the light attacks and see how it goes. I know this episode's not very creative, but it's necessary so far. I'm just gonna delete this one, which is the old heavy attack thing. Now we can add as much types of attacks as we want. Like you can do one specially for the kick attacks and one specially for, I don't know, magic or something. I'm gonna add magic differently to this game. I'm gonna make it like magic in Final Fantasy 15, where it's an item. Or no, I'm gonna make it based on stamina, like mana, and the attacking is based on stamina, but they're like totally different thing. But the light and heavy attacks are the same thing. They share the same attack count variable. So if you attack count, like each attack increases the attack count, and after a delay it goes back to 0, or after the third attack it goes back to 0. But like if you do the first light attack, it makes attack count 1, and then you do a heavy attack, it takes your attack count and sees if it's 1, then it does the second heavy attack, and then if you go back to the light attack, it goes back to the third light attack, because based on the attack count variable. So that's great. I think that's exactly the way I wanted it to be. I didn't really expect it to be so easy to make, but it is, so that's great. So, for example, right now I'm gonna do light attack, heavy attack, and go back to light attack 3, that it is. I mean, that's it, it's working, that's great. Now, heavy attack, light attack, and heavy attack, as you can see, it's perfect. Now there is an issue with sometimes the first attack keeps repeating unless you stop for a while. I'm not sure what it is, what's causing it, but I'm guessing it's based on a delay. Maybe it's this one. I'm gonna make it 2 seconds just to see if it is. Wait, was this the light attack? Yeah. Okay. Now don't follow this part, I'm just messing with stuff to find out what my problem is. Nope, that's definitely not it. Well, yeah, it partly is, but it isn't. So I'm just gonna keep it 0.8. So this is the delay for the first attack before you can attack again. I think 0.8 is too much for it, so I'm gonna go with 0.6 because when you do it and you stop, when you do it and you attack again before the delay is over, it pauses a little bit before she does the second attack. So let's try it out. Now what you can do is you can go to your anime montages and you can see how long each attack is, but the problem is that we've changed the play rate to 1.6, so I'm not really sure. For example, I wanted to stop here. Yeah, 1.5. I think 0.6 is great for it. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely good. Now there's a problem with the second attack. I'm not sure which delay is for it, so let's try out this one. I'm gonna make it 3 seconds just to see how long it is, or just to see which delay this is. Okay, this one doesn't seem to be important at all, so I'm just gonna change it to 0.7 to keep it neutral. I think this one is for the second attack, so I'm just gonna make it 3 seconds to see if it is. Now I forgot these because yeah, it's definitely for the second attack. So when you do the second attack, you can't do it again, you can't do the third unless this delay is over. So I'm gonna make this 0.5 seconds because the second attack is quicker than the first. So let's try it out. Yeah, it's great. 0.5 is perfect for it. And let's check out this one. 3, play. Okay, this is causing issues. I think this one needs to be 1. It doesn't really matter too much, I guess. Oh, this changes your attack count. Okay. This is the range before you can repeat the animation. Yeah, 3 is way too much. Okay, now I remember what these are for. So after you do your first or second attack, there's a time range where you have to press the button again before having to repeat the combo, and that needs to be 0.3 for me because I don't want it to be a slow-paced game. I want the player to press quickly before the combo ends, so that's what it is. Okay, there's definitely something wrong, as you can see. But for the third one, I think 1 minute. Let's just keep those aside for a while and see this one. So I think this is for the third attack. 1 second is a bit too much. 0.7, and let's test it. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with this system. The heavy attacks are great, you know. I like the way they look. There's something bothering me, and that is yeah, it's definitely this one. This is the reason why the third attack is interrupted by pressing the mouse again before it's even complete. So I don't know, maybe making it long will fix it. No, it hasn't fixed it. You know, in my test project, it works like a charm. I'm not sure what's wrong here. You know, maybe I should just open that project and see. Okay, so I've checked out my other project, and this is where I messed up. I switched those in the tutorial series, which is a big mess up. So let's do it again. No, this one first, attack count 0, and it connects to the delay, and the delay connects to this reroute node. And for this one, I'm gonna do 1 second, and let's try it out quickly. Nope, still doesn't work. Okay guys, so sorry if I sound a bit different in this part, but yeah, I was like looking for the problem, and a few hours passed because I went and had lunch or dinner, I don't know, and when I came back I actually found out what my problem was, and it was that first of all, we connected this to the reroute node. We don't want that. The problem is that the delay for the last combo is not this one, it's this one. So this delay tells you the amount of seconds before you can reset the combo. So I'm gonna make it 1 second and I'll show you. So right now, if you attack during the third attack, it won't happen. You won't reset the combo until 1 second passes. So I'm gonna name this delay specifically time before reset combo. I should have named the others, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it later. And right now I just want to copy the same stuff for the heavy attacks. So let's do that right now quickly. First we flip this one, I think. And then we made this one 1 second. What about the others? 0.5 and 0.6. Oh no, about the heavy attacks, we don't want to copy the same values because they're different. They have a different play rate, so it all depends on the length of your animation. So right now, first heavy attack, second heavy attack, third heavy attack. Wait a minute. Okay, so the third one should be 2 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Okay, first heavy attack, second heavy attack, third heavy attack. And you cannot interrupt the third heavy attack unless it's complete. Okay, you can interrupt it with light attacks. I somehow broke the heavy attacks. I'm just gonna make sure everything is the same. Okay, there is something I messed up, and that is this one does need to be connected to the reroute node. So ignore the part where I said it doesn't need to be, because it does. And connect it. Let's see how it goes now. Now the range for the first attack, I think it's a bit way too little, 0.3. So I'm gonna change that to 0.5, and I'm gonna comment on this one. I'm gonna name it range, time range before combo reset. So now you can actually chain the combo attacks, like the heavy and light attacks can be now chained, so that you can do them by mixing them, like in hack and slash games. Now I don't know how you introduce new attack animations by making a mix of combos, but I'm guessing I can do it later. I'll try to research it and stuff, but for now this is great. We fixed all of the issues and we added combo attacks for the heavy attacks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'm really sorry for not uploading that much often, but yeah, I'm gonna try to upload more. I guess I always promise to upload more and then I disappear completely, so I'm very sorry about that, but I'll try my best to stay around and post stuff faster than I do. So yeah guys, I really hope you're looking forward to it, and I really hope you subscribe if you haven't, because there's more upcoming tutorials and stuff coming up. So yeah, subscribe and take care.